Hey guys, it is Camouflage Mario Educates here, back again with another video, and today I'm here to teach you guys how to use Samsung Notes. So first, before I start the video, first of all, I would like to say that Samsung Notes is an application that can only be found on Samsung phones, and this application cannot be found on other types of phones like iOS devices. Okay, let's start guys. So first, to create notes, you have to click this plus sign right here. And there you have it. This is the notes bar, okay? So at first it looks like this. And to write the file name and the title of the note, you have to click on the title line and simply, well, type it in. So let me name this title A1. Okay. So this will also be set as the file name and not only as the title. So next, to type words on notes, you just go to the line notes and just type anything you want. There, this is how you use Samsung Notes. This is the classic way, but to type in bold, so let's do this. To type in bold, simply click bold before typing and type your desired word or words, either one. To type in italic, do the same thing. Also, to type in underline, just the same thing too. You can also merge all these three, creating a very unique letter. Both bold and underline added with italic. Now that's very unique guys. So to change the alignment of the text, you should do the same too. Like for example, I can make this center line. Well, in here you have to make the cursor like in front of the word that you're typing or that you have typed, and you can pick your alignment, either center align, well, right on the right side or on the left side. In here I don't think there's any justify guys. So next, for the other step, you can write with a stylus. Now guys, I don't have a stylus right now, but if you guys have a Samsung phone and it has a stylus, you can go to pen, alright, and you can just write. You can also write on touchscreen, but I prefer for you to write with the stylus because writing in touchscreen, it really sucks, okay? We already know this. And you can also use the brush tool guys over here, when you can paint whatever you want. And the colors look a bit dim, but well, it will turn a bit thicker when you just rub more on that side. Okay guys, so that's for today. That's for the video today. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you understand how to use Samsung Notes now, and see you next time. And before you leave, remember to save your document. Goodbye guys.